In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share stunning designs using Canva and seamlessly post them on your social media platforms. Whether your audience is on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, I'll guide you through the quick steps to ensure your posts look their best and catch the eye. Let's get started by logging into your Canva account. Open your preferred browser and head over to canva.com. Enter your login details and you'll find yourself on the home page, where creativity waits at your fingertips. Next, let's open the design you want to share. It's important that the design matches the size requirements of the platform on which you plan to post it. If you're creating a piece for Facebook, ensure your design is sized at 1200 by 630 pixels. If your audience is on Instagram, you'll want a neat square format of 1080 by 1080 pixels. For TikTok, opt for the taller canvas of 1080 by 1920 pixels. This ensures that your content displays beautifully without any awkward cropping or resizing when it goes live. Once you have your design open and perfect, it's time to connect your social media accounts with Canva so you can post directly. To do this, click on the Share option prominently positioned on your screen. After you click Share, you'll notice a variety of sharing options. Select More to dive into all the possible integrations Canva offers. What we're after here is connecting to our social media platforms, so go ahead and use the search bar to locate Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Choose the platform where you intend to post your captivating content. It's essential to log into that account and then authorize Canva to post on your behalf. This authorization is a crucial step that allows Canva to collaborate with your social media, making the process streamlined and efficient for you. Rest assured, your security and privacy are always prioritized during this authorization process. Now, with your accounts connected, you're just a click away from sharing your dazzling design with the world. Imagine the ease of posting directly from Canva without juggling between multiple windows or devices. It's all about making your workflow as smooth as possible, so you can focus on what matters most: creating engaging content that resonates with your followers. By following these steps, you can enhance your social media strategy, save time, and present your designs just the way you envisioned. Leveraging Canva's robust capabilities, combined with the direct posting feature, keeps you at the forefront of managing an efficient and visually stunning online presence. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide empowers you to elevate your social media game using Canva. Until next time, happy designing!